When it comes to getting legal documents online, Rocket Lawyer and LawDepot are two names you see everywhere, but which one actually delivers what you need? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, full-service legal assistance and expert support. On the right, LawDepot, simple, DIY legal documents designed for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these platforms really stack up. We'll put them head-to-head in key categories, scoring points along the way so you can see who truly comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Alright, before we get too deep, let's lay it all out. Here, what we're comparing: core focus, pricing and value, document creation, attorney access, business formation, and customer support. Yup, we're covering it all, from what they actually do for you to how easy it is to get support if things go sideways. So, the first thing you gotta know is the core focus. Rocket Lawyer goes all out. It's not just about legal documents, they actually bundle in expert attorney consultation. I mean, just imagine that. You fill out a contract and have someone legally review it right after. Pretty sweet. They're built for ongoing legal needs, so if you're starting a business or you constantly have legal stuff popping up, this is huge. The only thing is, they run on a subscription, and well, if you just need one doc, that might feel kinda extra. LawDepot, on the other hand, is all about that DIY life. Tons of document templates, super organized, and you just pick what you need. No fuss, no fluff, and this is a big but, you don't get direct attorney advice. So yeah, if you run into something tricky, you're kind of on your own there. All things considered, Rocket Lawyer takes the win here just for those legal extras. Next up, let's talk money. Rocket Lawyer, again, is membership-based. If you need lots of legal help, this might actually save you cash over time, plus, there's a free trial if you want to try before fully committing. But honestly, if you forget to cancel, that ongoing fee stings. LawDepot, now this is where it shines. You just pay for what you use, literally. No membership, no pressure. If you're the kind of person who only needs one or two forms, maybe you're renting a house or making a will, this setup saves you real money. Just know, if you do need a little extra like expert advice, that does cost more. So when it comes to value for most casual users, LawDepot actually pulls ahead here. Okay, now document creation. Both platforms really nail it here, honestly. Rocket Lawyer guides you like a pro, step-by-step questions, collaboration options, sharing. It feels very grown-up and professional. Some forms, though, you do need that membership. LawDepot is almost shockingly straightforward. You pick your template, tweak the details, and bam, they cover pretty much any type of document you can think of, from real estate to business to family stuff. Not much in the way of team tools like collaborating with others, but otherwise it's super robust. Honestly, it's neck and neck in this category. Both are genuinely good. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Rocket Lawyer and LawDepot combined have helped create and manage literally millions of legal documents all over the world? Wild, right? These tools aren't just helpful, they're powering legal work pretty much everywhere. Alright, let's talk about actually getting help from a real attorney. Rocket Lawyer is kind of the gold standard here. Their membership unlocks unlimited questions, actual quick-fire legal advice, and you can book consultations with real lawyers. That is a game changer if you're lost or need peace of mind. However, if you want someone actually fighting for you in court long-term, you'll need to look elsewhere. LawDepot, well, here, where it kinda drops the ball. You're given guides so you won't be totally left in the dark, but there's no real-time chat with lawyers, no calls, nothing hands-on. If you're good doing it solo, fine, but if you want one-on-one expert help, forget it. So Rocket Lawyer totally blows LawDepot out of the water in this round. Business formation, Rocket Lawyer is solid. They'll help you set up your LLC or corporation and provide support even after the paperwork's done. Oh, and registered agent services. Totally an option, though a bit pricier than LawDepot. LawDepot makes it super simple and affordable to get those basic formation documents. If you're just starting out and don't want to pay much, great choice. Only thing, they don't bundle in all those extra legal bells and whistles, you know, more of a get the basics done kind of vibe. So Rocket Lawyer gets the edge here thanks to the broader support. Let's wrap up these categories with customer support. Rocket Lawyer is pretty flexible, extended business hours, phone, email, you name it. Sometimes they're a bit slow on the weekends, but generally you can get a human when you need one. LawDepot isn't bad, they respond fast, especially through email, and they do squeeze in live chat support, which is nice. but overall it's more of a business hours thing and weekends might be tricky. Between the two, Rocket Lawyer's just a touch more available when you need urgent help. So, if we mapped out all those categories in a visual chart, Rocket Lawyer scores super high on attorney access, ongoing support, and business formation. LawDepot comes out winning on price and value for simple needs, and both are neck and neck in document creation. You can really see where your priorities might tip the scale. So, here's my honest opinion: if you want that ongoing, backup legal help or you know you'll need lawyer access, Rocket Lawyer is the obvious pick. If you just want to knock out a few documents quickly and don't want any frills, LawDepot's affordability makes it a real winner. Still unsure which to pick? Just give each a test drive, play with a sample document, or sign up for those free trials. Seeing it in action honestly makes the choice way easier. Happy documenting.